Good morning students. In this video we will learn about how can we insert a chart in our Excel file Microsoft Excel 2010. Okay students, for that you can see here I've given data here that is related to English test. Name of students has been given Raman, Geeta, Rashmi, Rohit, and their marks are in front of them. That means marks of Raman is 86, marks of Geeta is 45, marks of Rashmi is 68, and marks of Rohit is 75. So now students, I am going to insert a chart by using this data. For that we will have to select the data. Okay, after then go in insert tab, and here in charts group we click on create chart button. After then we are getting this window, insert chart window. There are so many type of charts has been given. From them we can select any chart. I am selecting here by default chart, that is column chart. So I am selecting this one. After then click on OK button. You can see column chart is appeared on the worksheet. I am shifting this chart. By this we can correlate our data with the given chart. You can see this is the original data and this is the source of this chart, and you can see all the names has been given. These names are given on horizontal axis and marks has been given on vertical axis or y-axis, and that is names are on horizontal axis or x-axis. Okay students, here you can see that as legend here marks has been given. So after then you can correlate all the names and their numbers in given here in the chart. All the Raman, Geeta, Rashmi and Rohit and their numbers on, you can correlate them by this one. So this is the way by which we can insert a chart. Now here is something special for us, that is when we are inserting a chart in our worksheet for our data source, then you can see here we are getting at the top chart tools. This is the new tab. When we are inserting chart, then we are getting this chart tools tab. Actually it is providing 3 extra tabs: design tab, layout tab and format tab. These tabs are helping in the different form. That means with the help of this we can understand the chart, or we can add something extra with the help of these tabs. We can see all these in coming videos, the use of these tabs one by one, but now we are going to this one. Here you can see chart layouts has been given. When we are clicking on this button, you can see 11 type of layouts has been given. If you are clicking any one, this is a layout number 11, you can select that one, and according to you can see the view of the chart will you can show you can see after selecting any layout. According to that layout, our chart is changing its view. Okay students, as you wish you can select this one, any layout from this one. 11 layouts has been given. and after then I'm going to do another thing here. I'm going to switching these two columns has been given. So for that, right mouse click. By this we can understand our data well. So I'm selecting here, select data option. After right mouse clicking, we are getting a shortcut menu. From shortcut menu, I'm selecting select data option. After then you can get so many things here: add, edit, remove. We are not going to understand this. We can study all these things in coming videos. You can see after clicking that our data is selected. Now I'm only clicking on switch row and column. What uh, after clicking we are getting, you can see marks is appeared here and here also. Now it has been changed its place. Now it is on the horizontal axis, and all the names become legends. So all different colors are related to different students here. By this we can switching our uh, row and column. If you need such type of thing, you can switch them, and the marks has been given. By this we can simply understand their value. Okay students, now here another thing has been given, chart style. We can with the help of this one we can change all chart styles. You can see here so many chart styles has been given. So any of them you can select for your choice. It is depend on your choice. You can select any of them. Okay students, these are the chart styles. You can select any one of them. Okay students, by this way you can insert the chart and you can change or switch its column or row, and you can select any layouts. You can insert first, after then you can change its layouts, and you can also select of your chart styles. This video is over here students.